accuracy of demand forecast should utilize historical sales data or actual usage of items. We need to maintain the accuracy of the balance on hand on our records by conducting regular physical count versus system record. Optimize inventory management systems in order to track stock availability, including the details of locations and description of all items inside the warehouse. Just-in-time inventory ordering stock as needed in order to have the appropriate number of quantities available. Eliminate stock out and eliminate capital tied out. Thank you very much. Shukran.